Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English Learning Podcast. I'm excited to share a useful phrase with you. Be about to do something. This phrase is common in everyday English and it will help you sound more natural when you speak. The phrase be about to do something means you are going to do something very soon, almost immediately. It shows that an action is just moments away. For example, I'm about to leave. I will leave very soon. She's about to start her homework. She will start her homework in a moment. They were about to eat dinner when the phone rang. They were just ready to eat, but something interrupted. Let's listen to a short conversation. Hey, can you help me with this? B, sorry, I can't. I'm about to go to class. No problem, good luck. Here, B uses the phrase to explain that they're leaving very soon. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm about to call my friend. We're about to watch a movie. He had to open the door. Great job. Try making your own sentences with things you're about to do right now. Remember, this phrase is always followed by a verb in its base form. For example, I'm about to eat, not I'm about to eating. That's all for today's lesson. You've learned how to use be about to do something to talk about actions that will happen very soon. Try using it in your daily conversations. It will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for listening. Ahead and keep practicing.